back. These are 3 pieces I did last week for a collaboration with paintpouracademy.com, and the theme was love in every hue. So in my traditional me being me, I have to make more than one to decide which one I like, and I'm so glad I did this time. If you want to learn more about the artist collaboration, go to paintpouracademy.com, fill out the contact form, and we'll be in touch. I would love to learn more about you. And I do recommend go check out the other artists who've worked on this collaboration. I'll put their YouTube videos and links in the description box below. They are amazing. I love the different interpretations each artist gives on the monthly themes. So, as I said, we had to do a rainbow of colors and the swipe technique. I'll put my process video after this little intro just so you can see how I created them. But as you can see, this one, the white one, cracked and crazed. And these are wood sheets that I got at the Dollar Tree maybe about a year ago. I'm finally getting around to using them. And I didn't have too much paint on it. And I've been thinking, what the heck happened? Look at this gold one. This one I did the white swipe. I did the rainbow. This one I did the rainbow of colors with a gold swipe. And look at it, just like totally crazed and cracked. Look at that. But I will say, this does look freaking awesome. I love it. Oh my gosh. Look how perfectly distressed it is. I love it. And the black one. This one kind of disappointed me at first because it was so beautiful wet. But I love how it just, the black just peeled. Look at that distressed. It's like the colors breaking out of the black and gold. It's like so awesome. My sister has dibs on this one, by the way. So I was thinking, what went wrong? What did I do? And I know exactly what went wrong. I used paints that I mixed up 3 weeks ago. So about the middle to end of December. And they've been sitting covered. And when I went and mixed them, pulled them out to mix them, I was like, wow, these are really thick. So I didn't have any more Floetrol with me because I'm out of stock. Need to go shopping. So I did glue. I mixed some glue in with it. And I was thinking nothing of it because my pouring medium, when I make my own, I use Floetrol glue and water. And here's the glue. Elmer's school glue. So I put the glue, a little bit of water just to help the consistency. And I think that was my error. I should have just used either my original pouring medium recipe or Floetrol. And I think the cells would have stayed. It would have had the perfect swipe, all of that. But because I changed and added glue after they've been sitting for 3 to 4 weeks, that's where my problem went. But in this situation, I am so super happy. These look awesome, distressed, and perfect. Very cool. So thank you for joining me. Hang around for the end of this video. I will show you how I did my rainbow swipes on each one of these, and you can see how they were wet and then compare them to how they were dry. And don't forget, go check out the other artists that are in this collaboration. They would appreciate it. Do support them. You can do it absolutely for free. Just say hi in the comments and like their videos. So thank you for joining me. I will see you in the next video, and enjoy the process video. Bye.